All right, so today we got this awesome new candy machine made out of wood. Abel's going to show you how to use it. Yeah, what about the other ones? Do the other ones work?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's jammed. If you use too big of candy, they get jammed in there. But this thing is pretty neat. We got the awesome dovetails in there. I decided I wanted to make a nice wood one. So here we are. We got the, could have done a better job with the hinges on the back, but. All right, so what I want to do is kind of show you the basic mechanics of this thing. So what I'm going to do is open the lid. And if you look down there, I got the ramps that kind of help the stuff flow down like that. And then when you push the button, the holes open up. All I'm doing. And then the spring makes it pop back out. I probably could have added some glue in there to make those things, but we don't have a problem with it, so we just